Guys, what's up? Welcome to another fantastic video. So guys, in today's video we are going to look at the easiest way to create your e-commerce website. So if you have been looking for how to get an e-commerce website, you really need a website for your e-commerce business and you don't know how to go about it faster or easily, then watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'm going to show you the easiest way to go about creating your e-commerce website. Of course, that I called it the easiest way doesn't mean it doesn't require any work. Of course, you're going to still do a little bit of work, but I called it the easiest way because this is the easiest method to go about it. Instead of wasting tons and tons of time, if you follow all the strategies, all the method I'm going to show you in this video, you are going to get your e-commerce website up and running with as much little time as possible. So if you are ready, I'm ready, then let's get started into the video. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I have a lot of samples here. If I go to shop page on this one particular one, you're going to find this is an e-commerce website. I also have this example here. So this is going to be one of the easiest way for you to create your e-commerce website. Now before we go straight to creating it, we need to do a lot of things. So I have listed out some of the basic things we need to do in order for us to achieve this feat of creating the easiest way to create an e-commerce website. So the first thing we need in creating any type of website on the internet is we need a domain name. Now this domain name will be the name of your website. Okay, so of course, you know, amazon.com, jumia.com, konga.com, all of those things are domain name. Okay, so we need a domain name. Now if you click on the link I have in the description box below, that should be the first link I will have in the description box below. It's going to take you to this website called Namecheap. Okay, so that will be an affiliate link. Of course, if you use that link to buy a domain name, I'm going to earn a small commission without any extra cost to you. So we need to get a domain name. Okay, so right now you need to click on that link, get straight to this page, and then now search for a domain name. So I'm going to search for a random name. I already have the domain name I want to use for this tutorial, so but I want to show you exactly how to go about it, of course. So we just need to search for a domain name, and yeah, it's going to load up and it's going to give us some options to tell us, okay, as you can see, this domain name is available and it's selling for $9.58. So if you're a new customer, of course you can be getting this domain name for as little as let me confirm. Okay, $5.98, $5.98. So if you click on that link I have in the description box below and you're a new customer, you're going to be getting it, and you apply this coupon code newcom598, you're going to be getting it for $5.98. So that's how you're going to be getting domain. Okay, so the next thing we need is web hosting. Now this is very important for your business because this will be where your website files, your e-commerce files will be stored. This is going to serve as, it's going to help you create databases of your users, and a whole lot of stuff is dependent on your web hosting. So that's why I normally advise for my customers or my clients or anybody watching my videos to always get a good hosting in order for you not to have any issues. Okay, so if you need hosting, you can contact me personally. I can I can give you hosting for a fee, of course, and yeah, if you also want, you can also purchase hosting from Namecheap right here. You can go to their shared hosting or any of their hosting plans right here and get hosting. But if you contact me, I'm gonna provide you hosting for a fee as well. So once we have these two things, domain and hosting, now we need to connect them together. You need to link them together, and we can do that using two methods. That we use name servers or we use DNS. Now I don't want to go deep into all of this part because this part doesn't really bother you as much. All you just need to do is wherever you buy your domain name or wherever you buy your hosting, they are going to give you a name server. If you get your name your hosting from me, I'm going to give you a name server. So all you need to do is to go to your domain backend and enter the name servers. Now if you don't know how to do any of these things at all you just need to do is contact your hosting provider and they will take it up from there. They will just help you to link your domain and your hosting. So it's very, very simple and doesn't need any stress from you. So once you've gotten domain and hosting, and sometimes if you get your domain and hosting from the same place, you don't need to do any other thing because they will automatically connect the domain and the hosting. But if you get it from two different places. Just contact your hosting provider. Let's say for example you get hosting from me, just contact me, tell me you want to link your domain to the hosting. So it's very simple. I can just help you to do that very simply, and anybody, any hosting provider can also help you to link your domain to your hosting. So now once we have domain and hosting linked together, the next thing we need to do is to install WordPress on the domain and hosting. So we need to install WordPress on the website. So how can we do that? You can do that depending on where you get your domain from, or your hosting from, sorry. They are going to have a sophisticated or a web application that is going to help you install WordPress with just one click. Now if you don't still know how to do that, contact your hosting provider. They are going to help you install WordPress because it's one of the easiest thing to do. So on my case right now, I'm going to take it off from here. I already have WordPress installed on this domain, as you can see here, kusto1.tk. I already have WordPress installed on the domain. So now immediately after your WordPress installation, you should have a screen just like mine, like as you can see. So this is a blank WordPress website. If I go to the front end of the website, which is this one, as you can see, there is nothing on the side. This is how your WordPress, this is the default 2023 theme. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like if you just installed your WordPress. So once we have this, now we want to make it look like an e-commerce website as fast as possible. That is why I said this is one of the easiest method to create your e-commerce website. So this is an e-commerce website, and this is also an e-commerce website. So as you can see, they are already clean and good to go. So want to make it look like this as fast as possible, and just go ahead to start editing the parts we want to edit. So how can we do that? Now we need to install a theme. Okay, we need to install a theme. Now there are different types of themes in the market. I'm going to show you in today's video. We're going to be making use of some themes. So we are going to be making use of Cadence theme, or we're going to make use of Blusky. So depending on the one I want to use, but let's get started. Let me show you exactly how to do it. So now all you need to do is to click on appearance, click on themes. Now once you click on appearance and themes, click on add new. Once you click on add new, the next thing you need to do right now is to install a theme. So I have a bunch of there's a bunch of themes right here, and these are some of the most popular themes right here on the WordPress repository. Okay, we have free themes, we have paid themes. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do all of these things for free as well. I forgot to mention that on the beginning of the video. Everything we're going to be doing in today's video is done for free, aside getting your domain and hosting and some other things. But basically I'm going to tell you how to use a free theme and free plugins to get the site done. So now we need to search for Blusky. So this is the name of the theme we are going to be using. So it's called Blusky. Okay, so it's one of the best themes out there, one of the best free themes. There's a lot of them actually, but I like this one a lot because of some of the functions and features they allow you to use on even on the free plan. So what I'm going to do now is to install this theme. So I'm going to install this theme, and after installation we need to activate the theme. So I'll click on activate, and yeah, let's wait for it to activate. So yeah, as you can see, the theme has activated, and now it brings us to another point where we need to install this Blusky companion. Now this is very important if you're going to be using Blusky theme, because it's actually going to give you access to a whole bunch of different assets and tools and every other thing. So what you need to do now is to click on install install the Blusky companion plugin. So as you can see, it has installed. So what is going to happen is going to take us to the Blusky companion plugin center. So this is it. So now we can adjust the color of the website, the header, the blog section, the pages, sidebar, footer. We can do all of those things right here even without leaving the backend. But let me show you one thing that I like about it that is very fascinating. So is this starter site. Okay, so this starter site is, for example, you just want to create a website immediately. You don't want to waste any time. You can make use of one of the starter sites they have and simply go ahead to edit it just the way you want it. Okay, so this starter site I already made very beautifully, and you can just simply edit it the way you want. Okay, like what I have here on the site, this is a starter e-commerce website, right? So we're going to be installing this full starter site on our own domain so that we can be able to now customize it the way we want it. So all I need to do is to scroll, or I come over. Okay, I'm going to scroll right here, scroll down. I think I know the name of the team. Do I know the name of the team? Let me locate it. So this is the team here. Yes, this is Card Europe. Okay, I don't know if I pronounce the name right, but this is the team I showed you the demo. So this is it. Okay, so what we need to do is we have identified it. We are going to be using Elementor page builder to edit the website. Now you can use two methods. We have Gutenberg, we have Elementor, but in today's video we are going to be focusing more on using Elementor to edit the website because it's very simple to edit it using Elementor. Of course, Gutenberg is simple as well if you understand it, but I prefer Elementor at the moment. So what we need to do is we need to click on import. So it's going to ask us, should it import both including the child theme? This one is not mandatory, but it's important as well. I like to install child theme so that I can make changes to my website code if I want without losing any data. So now once you have check mark that, to click on next, and now it's going to ask us to select a page builder. So I'm going to work with Elementor. I'm going to work with Elementor like I said earlier, and click on next. And as you can see, Elementor, WooCommerce, WP Forms, these are the required essential plugins that starter site would need to function. So Elementor, of course, you know, it's a page builder. WooCommerce is like the e-commerce function capability plugin. Okay, WooCommerce is one of the best e-commerce plugin we have right here. So and the next thing is going to install is WP Forms. As you can see, this is just for forms. Okay, so yeah, since we are good to go, just click on next. It's going to tell us that it's going to import these options and widgets, content, clear install. So it's going to install it on a clear slate. So once you are fine with all of this, just click on install. So we just wait for it for a couple of minutes or seconds for it to install, and then start working on editing and other parts of the website. So wait for it to install and then start working on the site. So right now I'm gonna wait for it to install. Okay, so after waiting for a couple of minutes, as you can see here, we have that our e-commerce website or our starter site has been installed successfully. So right now we can view the site. So I'll just open it in a new tab to view it, as you can see. So waiting for it to load so that we can be able to view. So as you can see right here, our starter site has been installed successfully. This is our starter site, and it has been installed on our own domain. Everything we need to create our e-commerce website right now, it has been installed for us. So all we need to do is to go ahead to edit it the way we want it and make it ours, make it our own, make it our own brand and the likes. Okay, so that is why I said it's one of the easiest method to create an e-commerce website. Rather than starting from scratch, you can easily install a starter site, edit it, and there you go. You start creating, you start having your site ready for sales. You start making sales. So this is our old site. As you can see, this is how it looks. If I just refresh this page now, you are going to find out that it's going to have the starter site we just imported, just like the demo website. As you can see, this is the demo website, but this is our own starter site. Okay, so all we need to do now is go back to this page. So we just X out of this page right now. Since we have done that, go to useful plugins, and now we need to do some little install for little plugins. So as you can see, Elementor page builder is already activated. Yeah, so right now we don't really need to install some of these plugins. So we can also go to this change log to view information. We can also go to extensions to add some extensions to our website. So one extension that is good in adding is this cookies consent. Okay, a lot of website has it. I'm sure you must have seen it somewhere. So all you need to do is to click on activate, and it's going to activate the cookies consent on the website. So if I refresh right now, it's going to have the cookies consent. As you can see here, look at it right here on this bottom left corner. So we use cookies to ensure we give you the best experience on our website. You can simply accept or just decline. So that is a very good feature. You can also activate the newsletter subscribe extension here. You can also do the widget and the trading post and the product reviews. That is if you are creating a product review website. So this is it, guys. This is one of the easiest way to create an e-commerce website. So right now we have our e-commerce website. The next thing we need to do, this method has helped us to install the themes and the most important plugins that are needed. Of course, we need to install more plugins later on. I'm going to break it down later, but for now it has installed the most important basic features. So what we need now is design, so is to customize the website. So to do that, remember we selected Elementor page builder when creating when we are importing the starter site. So to edit any part of this website, we need Elementor. So right now I'm on the home page. If I just simply click on Elementor, then I can be able to go ahead to edit the website. So after clicking on Elementor, it's going to load up Elementor. Then I'm going to show you some of the possibilities or some things that we can do to create it. So right now, sometimes if you click on Elementor, you're going to have this issue. So all you just need to do is to click on recreate kits and just click on whatever they ask you to click on, and click on regenerate. Where is it? Okay, regenerate kits. Look at it. Just click on it. It's going to regenerate, and then click on save, and then go again. And once you have done that, I'll go to the website again. This is the front end of the website loading. Yes, so right now I'm going to click on edit with Elementor again. So let's see what page it brings us right here to, and and see if it allows us to be able to edit the website to our own taste and to match whatever we want to use it for. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is it. This is Elementor. Right now we need to start designing the website. We need to start editing the website. So if I want to edit this text here, it's very simple. You can just click on it and you're gonna find the text. So all you just need to do is to change it. So I can say this is brand, right? Let me see, brand new collections, let's see, available, brand new collections available. So let's say this is what we want to add. We can also add text right here. If you just click on it, then you can add more text, and this part as well. If you just click on this section, you're gonna find them. So you can go ahead to edit it. As you can see here, top brands, description, link, and all of those things. So you can add it right here. So you can go ahead to change this image. So if you don't like this image, just click on the image and then you can choose an image to upload. So I'm going to leave the image like that. I'm going to literally leave most things like that. Okay, so yeah, that is how you go about it. Okay, so that's how you go about editing this section. Okay, so if you want to edit more, you want to edit the section, just click on this hamburger menu here. It's going to load up. So all you need to do now is to come over here, click on this button, okay, click on it. As you can see here, we can change the icon, we can also change the text right here. We can do any of these things to any of these ones we have here. So we have new arrivals, and this is the shortcode to embed the new arrivals. So right now, if you haven't uploaded any products, then you might just probably leave it for now. Go and upload products, okay, and then come back and then click on it. Okay, it's gonna show some products. Okay, so right now these are some of the members of the website, or anything, any picture or any image, whatever you want to use this for, you can do that. If you don't want to see this section, you can simply just cancel it, and yeah, that is how you go about not seeing the section. Or you can simply hide it from mobile or tablet or desktop views. Okay, so the same thing applies for popular products. Okay, so once you add new products, and yeah, you're gonna find it, and they are popular, you're gonna find it under popular products. You can also add it. So right now you can customize this words on this clothes, this woman as well. You can add your own image here. And then we have popular products. Okay, so we have blog posts, so you can as well write blog posts and embed. And then we have news updates. Okay, subscribe to my news. Okay, so that is how you go about it. So products are still gonna appear here. And yeah, I think is yeah, players, products with high rating, they're gonna appear here. So guys, this is how you create an e-commerce website very fast. If you need help with maybe the customization, you want a more detailed video, because maybe I'm not going too deep into customization, then tell me in the comment section, because I don't want to go too deep into customization, because there's a whole lot of things you can do and we are different. So we have a lot of that we are different, so there are many ways to go about creating this website. So I've literally showed you exactly how to create and how to design it, how to edit it. Now if you want to do the logo, you want to edit the logo, make sure you always save your changes before exiting out of here. So I'm going to go to finder, view page, sorry, I'm going to go to view page and click on leave. So once I click on leave, it's going to bring me back to the home page of the website. As you can see, this is what we just customized. Okay, so once I'm here right now, I'm at the home page. So to edit this logo, it's simple. All I need to do is to click on customize. So once I click on customize right now, it's going to take me to the WordPress editor. So all I need to do right there is to do some basic changes to the site as well, so it match our branding and match the purpose. Okay, so right now it's going to load up. I'm going to wait for it to load up. Yes, so this is the customizer. So all we need to do now, I want to change this logo. So once you hover on this logo, you're going to find this blue icon. Once you click on it, it's going to take us straight to where the logo is located. Very simple too, okay, and very sharp. So all you need to do now is to, remove this logo right here. I can just exile here, or just click on this pencil icon to upload my own logo. So guys, if you want to upload your logo, if you want to make your logo, make sure to always look at the logo that they have already made. Okay, so I'm not going to be searching. Okay, let's do a, shall we? Okay, yes, this is the logos they have. So all you need to do now is to click on this one. You're gonna find the dimensions of the logo. This is 161 by 35 pixel. So you can create a logo with this size and accurate, so that you won't be you can create a logo to this side accurate, so that it's going to fit directly to your website. Okay, so that's how you go about changing the logos. You can also change the icons by selecting your logo, select logo icon, select logo, and then you can also change the what is it called, the favicon, and then you can also change the tagline. Okay, so in this post I turned off the tagline and a whole bunch of other parts. Okay, so yeah, this is how you go about editing the website using this editor. And Elementor is better. Okay, so Elementor is better to edit your website fully. So guys, I might not be going through deep into editing the website and how you're going to go about it, but I've given you a solid way to edit it. No matter the page you want to edit, click on edit with Elementor. If you're using the free version, there are some pages you might not be able to edit with Elementor, which are the custom my account page, which you can create, on your own. Like, you can create with Elementor, you can edit with Elementor, and a whole lot of other stuff. So this is how you design the website basically. So you don't need much stuff right here, because everybody has different stuff on his head or her head for different designs. So but I've showed you basically how to go about it. Now once you've done that, um once you've designed and you're good to go, the next is to worry about shipping and payment gateways. So I'm going to show you exactly how to solve these problems. So if you go to the back end of your website, which is this, now all you need to do is, this is the back end of the website. Okay, so what we need to do is go to or refresh this page, because this page hasn't reflected WooCommerce is on it. Okay, as you can see, I've refreshed it, so we have more options right now. So we want to go to WooCommerce, go to settings, okay. So once right here, right on settings, want to fill up all this information for our store. It's very important, for so that our store will be so that we know we are running a good store. So you need to enter your address, your city, your state, your country, where you ship to. You want to ship to all countries you sell to, which is nice. You can do that. You want to ship at some specific location or specific countries, you can do that. You can enable tax access, you can do a lot of stuff right here. Okay, you can also choose your currency right here, but the main thing I want to show you right here is if you click on shipping, you're gonna find that we don't have any shipping zone. Okay, so all you need to do is to add shipping zone, because after the order is made on your website, you need to ship the item if it's a physical product that needs to be shipped. Okay, so go to shipping, then we need to add shipping zones and the like. So you can just give this zone any name. Region, you can give any region a name, and then you need to select the shipping method. So is it a flat rate, is it a fee shipping, or is it a local pickup? So you need to select one. This is something you need to plan out with your logistics company that you might be working with if you are not going to be delivering it yourself. Okay, so you need to plan it out, then you select what works for you and the person that is going to help you deliver the product. So this is how you go about it. Okay, so let me go to this side. We're going to talk about payment gateways. Now you can connect any amount of payment gateways to this website. So if I go to for payment gateways, we're going to find that if I go to WooCommerce and go to payments, currently the website to not have any payment gateway, as you can see by default. So what we need to do is to go to plugins, so all we need to do now is go to plugins, go to add new plugins, and then we're going to enter the payment gateway we want to use. So on this video, I'm going to be using, we can use anything. You can use PayPal, WooCommerce integration. So I can just say PayPal WooCommerce, and it's going to load it up. As you can see, payment plugin for PayPal WooCommerce. So this is WooCommerce. I have WooCommerce installed already. So we have WooCommerce payment, and yeah, we have a bunch of different payment stuff. Okay, so what we need to do now is to select the plugin. So for this case, as you can see, I can select this first one, payment plugin for PayPal WooCommerce. So once I click on it, I install, and after installing, I activate the plugin. So right now, the next thing we need to do is to, if you want to add any other payment gateway, this is just a little bit of information you can read up. So if you want to add any other information, let's say you want to add more payment gateways, so all you need to do is to add more right here. So I just click on the PayPal Express. So I'm going to go to plugins, go to plugins and click on add new. That is how you add another payment gateway. So you can add anyone. You can add Rave, you can add Rave payment gateway for WooCommerce. As you can see here, WooCommerce Flutterwave payment gateway. So Rave is also known as Flutterwave before, so you can just install it, because this one is from Flutterwave developers. I like this one. So you can install it and activate. You can do pay stack and activate. So you just, depending on you, select the shipping method you want to use to ship, and also select the payment gateway you want to be able to use to collect payment. So after all of this is done, then your e-commerce website is fully ready for you to conquer the world. So there's a lot of stuff you can also do, but trust me, with what you have done so far, you must have already created a beautiful e-commerce website. So this is one of the easiest way to create an e-commerce website, by getting a team, installing starter site, editing it, and adding the features like a payment gateway, the shipping, and every other thing that is needed for your e-commerce. So one very important aspect I want to show you right now is how to add products. So right now, as we have installed the site and the starter site, we have a bunch of different products on the website. So if you go to the website, you're going to find all these products. If I even go to products tab right here, we are going to find bunch of different products, and these products are not our own, so we need to make it our, we need to add our products. In order for us to add our products, we need to delete all of these products. Now how can we do that? Just go to products under Ecommerce, go to products, go to all products. So what we need to do now is to delete all the products we have here, so that we can be able to add our own. So to delete it at once, just mark this section and click on move to trash and click on apply. So all the products will be moved to trash. So if I come back to the website now and refresh the page, there's no products, so it's clean and clear and good to go. So to in order for us to add products very well, we can categorize our products. To create categories for different products, just click on categories and add your categories. So right now we have this bunch of categories. If I don't want it, just click on this section and click on delete, and all the categories would be gone except this one which stays by default, so you can change it to whatever you want. So this is how to add and remove products. So if you want to add new products, just click on add new now, and once you click on add new, you're going to be brought straight to this page. You just enter the product's name, the product description, you set the product image. You can also add more images, and they give you the price, and yes, you enter the pricing, and yeah, and every other thing. You can enter the shipping, inventory, and the likes of them as you want to enter it. Okay, so once you've done that, you can enter the short description that will be appeared on the page. So once you do that, you click on publish, and the product is going to appear on the products tab by default. Okay, so that is how you go about products. Okay, that's how you add products and you remove products. Now this is a very important aspect in an e-commerce website, okay, because you want to showcase your product to a lot of people, and yeah, you want them to see it. So if you have any further questions, I want you to tell me in the comment section as you keep watching the video to watch other steps we have website. So tell me what you think in the comment section. If you have any question at all, I would like to answer the question. If you don't have any question, just thumbs up this video so that it's going to be pushed out to more people that really needs the help. Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate you watching my videos, and I'm going to be dropping more videos for you guys. Okay, so I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you very much.